Kinongnya kali Kamai tourist jangka jela Meghalaya bat Assam menta kesngi kilalom ta kajing yalang hanong po ban pensyai syaki ba haka bayade ba kajing bat ke HNYF yaki kali naka jela Assam kibawan Kamai sya Meghalaya bat kajing sauto bakla jangki ba bat kum kinongnya kali kim don benta haka te kajing persya yaki kali bawan na Assam habakren syakilat pathai kubor hadin kajing yalang nakali yang uba tilang nongbet Presiden ke New Trip Tourist Taxi Association, Bat Urobin Data, Presiden ke Greater Guwahati Tourist Association Paltan Bazar, kila ong ba katay ke jinyalang kalong ka basayso, hadin ba kinongnya kali Kamai na kajela Meghalaya Bat Assam, kila Yamir Jingmut, hadin ka jingmi ki kubor ban khang persya iki kali kibawan na Assam, Henry kum ka kunhun kinongnya tourist, kila pensyai ba kamdon kum kata, Henry kinongnya kali Kamai na Meghalaya Bat Assam, kidon ka jingye trailang, Bat Ngim Kwah ban mi, kanu-kanu ka huri-hura. Syuk-syuk hakabayade ba kajing bat ke HNYF, kum ka kunhun kinong nya kali, kim don ban tuklar, Henry kadi hapadeng jong kinong yalam kaseng, bat ka sorkar ban penbej, ya katay kakam. Bat kum kinong nya kali, kikwa ba kakam kamay jong ki, kam day ban thut, bat day ban long, kum bajulong. Ha kaway bat ka penta, kum kinong nya kali Kamai, kilapan pao kajing sokya ka bajur, halor kajing jur ki kali shimet, kibawan pan Kamai sya kajela Meghalaya, kibalatu no ikapliang jajong kinong nya kali Kamai, kibahapan sir ki kajina bahe, sya ka sorkar.
Bakla jong ki nong lek nong wan kibawan naga barjela, kamtam kibana coba ka state jongi kain, bak na kiwi-kiwi ru ka state kiba don gitu kujing yakang nagaliang jong ki seng balang, Henry katu baro bangi kamton jing de iru em ha kaliang kajing bat kali. Te nakaliang jongi ru long hina pensyai hiru ba nakaliang jongi kum ka action ngimdon re kanu kajing ya persya ya kanu ka tourist taksi kibawan sya kajela jongi baki kaliang jongi bang syong mendaringin ya simkhia tang ha bade ba kani kaliang jong kini kali private kibalabun palat kibawan Kamai seni kajela jongi dakin namba plate le katu kalau long Knieh kala kam kini ya piang ja jongi kinong Kamai kiba Kamai hok lagi terus taksi desa kawiru long ni nakaliang jong action long kibun kit kiseng kiba mi syakmat kiba yakun nakaliang jong sorkar ngim bedek kita kasyong haki banyakran ba sorkar ngi nakaliang jong ngi kwa ba ka Assam ba ngi ke Meghalaya ngindon hapadeng kajing yasuk Ngim Kwah kanu kajing kanat nar baro arliang ki state kumbangi julong baro si kata ngin ya be kontra ngidon kajing trailang na baro kini na Assam Meghalaya ikwa bakan ya kemaju ya katu kiba naik keren saka sorkar ai kin ya keren baka sorkar kinya sutu baka sorkar ngi para driver hang ni ngin ya be ke kam jungi banyak Kamai kaji be banyak bahaya met lang na baro arliang state jungi to habedi kata katu ngila don kajing komplain jungi last ya mo makan last ya ngila ada komplain ya katu la don ru naga tim jungi kilaya katu operation jungi hapo tengar hi lihat nakaliang jong tim jongi ilaya banyak kendang gitu kali privately mo to Kpoh te nakaliang jongi ru lada klem ka trelang nakaliang jongi para driver kabu jeng ma identify na ki department ban kino kita ki private ki Kamai ni kino ki private ki bawan nakakam na yang ngesem unta te ngiru nakaliang jongi ka action na bro arliang kajela mentang ila persyang manginyat tray rengkan nginya verify iwe na padang jungi ke driver ba kino ki kali private ki ba Kamai Beaiñ syakwati le ni sa Shillong ya katangi dengan sasim action halo kani kebenta ni ki driver ngiyo Kamai kecil yang ba jingwan pun oh Ngim Kwah ru ba na padang jungi ki ba terus kindon haka safety ke baning kong bat kunjuk ki driver jungi ru ba kile cha Assam ki wan sa Shillong ru kindon hak padang kejing sangai kalit kawan kunjuk ki passenger ru tangatahi ko ga message pangai Kwah nang iru ba ikwa ya ka
representing the taxi operators of Meghalaya and from Assam side. And we have decided and we want to make it clear to the people and the tourists visiting this state that there is no such any imposition by the government restricting vehicles coming from Assam or tourists coming from Assam. This has been created by some unwanted element, but it is not a government decision. So we have cleared ourselves, we have cleared all doubts, and because some elements are taking advantage of this thing, because they give some flare-up statements in their social media, which actually escalates the tension for our taxi operators as well as tourists. So we want to diffuse the tension. And that is why we have sat together and we have jointly decided to give an appeal to all tourists. They are free to visit. There is no such any government ban or any restriction by anybody. Okay? And other decisions are also there. We have sought some, because our taxi operators, we are facing some problems, competition from private vehicles operating on as taxis. So we have also taken a joint decision that will restrict the flying of illegal taxis, which are private vehicles. These are the main decisions. First appeal to all persons, these travel agents and all these things, booking agents, they are illegally operating private vehicles as on hire basis. And that is actually destroying our business also, because we are paying high rate of taxes, maximum taxation, and they are not paying taxes like us. So there's a discrimination, so they cannot fly. That is illegal. We are not talking about private vehicles. Private vehicles are free to come. Somebody is coming on weekend, they can visit Cherrapunji, any Dauki also. As family, they can come. But we are talking about those private vehicles illegally operating as taxis, that category. So it should be clear, because this may go as a thing misinterpreted, any private vehicle somebody will see and they'll stop it. We are not talking about private vehicles. That private category of vehicles higher flying on higher basis.
So is there any action from the association from us?
Take those things, and because mostly our drivers are flying those private vehicles, we'll try to detect and we'll give the list to government. We'll not take the law into our hand. Will not take. And we appeal to a Meghalaya counterpart, so they'll not take the law, they'll give the list to the government and will pressurize the government to take action. Yeah. Message is that people are free to come to Meghalaya, as well as we welcome tourists to come to Assam. So it should go like that, because tourism is booming up, it's a very thriving industry and we should preserve it at any cost. We don't want any element to destroy this good industry, tourism, which is giving employment to so many people, not only taxi operators, lot of employment, starting from hotel, restaurant, homestay, everywhere,